the all-new Titan 700 engine.
Alright, let's cut to the chase. The rumor mill for this year's EICMA show in Milan is already on fire. But there's one rumor, one whisper, that's louder than all the rest. Sources are saying that Suzuki is about to drop a bomb. A name pulled from the history books, forged into a brand new legend for the modern age. They're calling it the Titan. Let's rewind. The late 60s and early 70s, this was the Wild West for big bikes. And Suzuki unleashed the T500 Titan. This wasn't just another bike, it was a statement. It packed a 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke twin-cylinder engine that was borderline unkillable. They called it bulletproof for a reason. While other big two-strokes were known for being peaky and temperamental, the Titan was different. It had a massive wave of usable torque. It was reliable, comfortable on the highway, and could surprise a lot of bigger, more expensive bikes. It was an engineering masterpiece wrapped in pure 70s swagger. So, how do you bring a legend like that into the modern era? Well, you start with the heart. Want to know how? Please stay tuned, guys. Suzuki's new 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. We've seen it in the GSX 8S and V-Strom, and it's a gem. But in the Titan, this engine would have a totally different mission. That parallel twin, with its 270-degree crank, will deliver that V-twin-like rumble and a punchy mid-range torque that's perfect for real-world riding. It's not chasing crazy horsepower figures. It's designed to give you that satisfying shove in the back every time you twist the throttle. And feast your eyes on these classic lines. You got that iconic teardrop tank in that glorious 70s yellow, flowing into a long, flat, stitched bench seat that looks all-day comfortable. And the chrome. Oh, the chrome. The fenders, the classic round headlight bucket, and that proper passenger grab rail. It's perfect. But this is where it gets really clever. They've gone with wire-spoked wheels, a must-have for that authentic retro vibe. The suspension is pure modern classic. You've got traditional twin shocks at the back, but with piggyback reservoirs. That's old school cool meeting new school handling. Up front, dual disc brakes give you all the stopping power you need without looking too much like a modern sport bike. And you can't miss the dual chrome pea-shoot exhaust sweeping down both sides. A deep, soulful rumble. Sadly, this is just another CG rendering by Oberdan Betsy.